Good afternoon, everyone. I'm Brian Renault from EY, and we're delighted to be here again and sponsor Demo Day 4.0. Nurturing and celebrating the entrepreneurial spirit is core to our DNA. In fact, this year marks the 31st anniversary of our annual Entrepreneur of the Year Awards program. And it should come as no surprise to anyone in this room that we've seen an increasing number of fintech firms nominated into the program over the last few years. In fact, a previous Demo Day presenter actually is being interviewed as we speak for this year's program. And who knows, maybe he or one of the people speaking to you today may ultimately be an EOI winner and join an esteemed group of winners from companies like Amazon, LinkedIn, eBay, and many others. It's an honor to be up here introducing these leaders, but it's even more gratifying when the individual you're introducing is somebody you have a close personal relationship with. I've known Mike Vien, CEO of Vetr, for many years, dating back to his time here at Fidelity, where he spent the first 15 years of his career. Then, like many of us, Mike was bitten by the entrepreneurial bug and ventured off to lead a variety of different endeavors, including his current company, Vetr. Vetr, quite simply, is an exciting new online platform that crowdsources star ratings for stocks and ETFs. The best way to describe what Mike and his team have built is Vetr is what you'd get if you built IBES earnings estimates in StarMine from the ground up. And then with a radically open philosophy, and then attracted the investment community to contribute, and then apply machine learning on top of that to further improve those results. Collecting price targets from an open community of analysts and investors is not only more efficient and more scalable, but it's the natural evolution of the industry. Vetr's innovative model creates a more accurate, inclusive, and forward-looking data set, and is a valuable resource for anyone looking to build better models, track and improve their investment performance, and generate alpha. I'm pleased to introduce to you Mike Vien from Vetr.
Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Mike Vien, and I'm the CEO of Vetr. And Vetr is an online platform that crowdsources star ratings on stocks to help people make better investment decisions. The name Vetr actually means to vet stocks together. And before we get started, I just want to say a quick thank you to the FinTech Sandbox team and to our partners EY, FactSet, and Benzinga. Now, many of us refer to crowdsourced, community-driven rating platforms to help us make decisions in almost every facet of our life. For example, we look to online ratings to help us make decisions on products before we buy them. We also wouldn't think about booking a vacation without looking at reviews on most travel websites. And many of us look to platforms like this to help us pick a good restaurant or before we accept a great job opportunity. Yet when it comes to managing money, surprisingly, there hasn't been a similar service until now. What Yelp and TripAdvisor have done for the restaurant and travel categories, we do for the investment industry. These platforms have not only changed the way that we make decisions, but they have fundamentally transformed multiple industries. And they have also created immeasurable value in the process. Now, we started Vetr because we felt like there was a problem in the market when it comes to relying on buy, sell, and hold ratings from Wall Street. For starters, as many of us in the room know, sell-side ratings tend to be biased and a little bit optimistic, which just leads to less accurate price targets. And second, most of the analyst coverage is at the large end of the market with limited coverage on the mid and the small cap companies. And then third, sell-side ratings are just that. They're limited to the views of the sell side, and they're not true expectations of the actual investment community. And this is a problem for most investors, but specifically for asset managers on the buy side, because they can't see how their views are different than the expectations of their peers. And they need to, because that delta, if correct, is their alpha. Now, Vetr solves these problems. We wanted reliable ratings information, and we wanted accurate price target data. So we created an open platform that collects price targets from an open community of investors, which we believe is the natural evolution of our industry, just like those other industries. So last year we collaborated with MIT. They helped us refine our approach. And the results from that research were amazingly accurate, as low as 0.3% error. That means better than 99% prediction accuracy. That's truly phenomenal. And it's this ability, in collaboration with MIT, that is our key differentiator than any other fintech player. So let me show you how it works. I'm going to show you three things. First, I'm going to show you how you add a rating on Vetr. Then I'm going to show you how you research stocks. And then I'm going to show you how you can track your performance and find the best of crowd. Now, in order to look up information on Vetr, you just type into the search bar there. Here we're looking for the Apple ticker. And before you create a rating, you have to put in your price target. Now, you can do that by using those up and down buttons, the red and the green buttons there, or you can directly put in your price target. And then we automatically generate a star rating, 1 through 5, based on your price target. You can also put in a brief description. You can attach a chart or an image to support your prediction. And then what you need to do is put in your time horizon. And the time horizon can be 1 month, 3 months, or 6 months. And then you hit post. That's it. You're done. You set your target price, you set your target date, and you're done. This is our special sauce. What we do is we show our users a histogram of all of the predictions from our members with the ability to change their price target. Essentially what we're doing is we're upweighting not only the best predictors, but the people that are better at learning than others from the crowd. And then we filter the information to improve the overall accuracy of those predictions. The end result is what we call an intelligent star rating. And an intelligent star rating is created by price targets that are entered by our users and then improved by our prediction algorithms. Next, I want to show you how you research a ticker. And on the top of every ticker page, what you see here is our crowd star ratings plus our crowd price target. And right next to that, you can see the consensus price target, which is basically the average of all the sell-side analysts that cover the stock on Wall Street. This is important because that way you can contrast your views from the consensus of the market, which I was saying before. Right below that, you have two charts. You have the price history for every ticker, and then to the right, those dots represent all of the predictions from our members. That blue dot right there is the prediction that I just entered. And then the green dots above the line there, those represent the bullish predictions. Below that, the red dots represent the bearish predictions. Now, this is really important because this is helpful for buy-side analysts who want to determine the true market expectations of their peers in the investment community. And then when we scroll down, you're going to be able to see the summary of all of the crowd sentiment for all of the active buy, sell, and hold ratings on our platform. Just to the right of that, you're going to be able to drill into the detailed breakdown of all of those aggregated ratings. And then right in the middle, you're going to be able to drill even further into the individual views of all of the members. I want to show you one more thing. I want to show you how you can not only track your performance, but find the best of the crowd. What we do is we rank every contributing member on how well they accurately predict future stock prices. And then each row you see here is a scorecard for our members. The first column is rank by accuracy. The second column is tracking accuracy on a scale of 1 to 10. The third column there is success rate, and success rate is the percent of the predictions that had a positive return. The final column there is predictions, which is basically the total of all of the predictions, and you can follow other folks, and you can sort and filter this information in a number of different ways. But just imagine a future where we have every institutional asset manager, we have every single hedge fund and wealth manager, even individual investors, contributing their forecast data to Vetr. It's incredibly powerful. Now, I want to shift gears real quickly, and I want to share some of our progress with you. We have 12,000 registered users on our platform, and last year that grew about 150%. And that's entirely through organic growth with no paid marketing. And at the same time, the number of ratings contributed by our members grew by almost 100% last year. And we are the only company, Vetr was the only company to win the Benzinga FinTech Awards 2 consecutive years in a row. And we're nominated again this year. And then I'm pleased to announce that we just signed our first paying customer, which is what it's really all about. Thank you. We have 5 more in discussions, and we're in discussions with asset management firms and hedge fund firms that are interested in integrating our data sets into their trading strategies for a small monthly fee. So that's Vetr. If you're a financial institution and you're interested in how we can help you better serve your customers, or if you're an asset manager and you're interested in how we can help you generate alpha, come see me after the pitches. My name's Mike. The company, again, is Vetr. Thank you very much.